Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to check if someone saved your Instagram post. So you have to head over to your profile, Instagram, and in there just make sure you have logged in to your professional account. So once in there, just tap on the three lines icon, or you can directly go to a post. If you don't have any post posted yet, you can just post a new photo or video, and then head over to the post, and then tap on the three dots icon on the top right of the post. Then you have to go to this view insights option just in the below of adjust preview. So my internet is fluctuating. Let me just turn it to mobile data. So in the insights, you can see the views, interactions, and saves counts in here. So yeah, this is how you can do it. This is how you can see if someone have saved your Instagram posts. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.